Hello friends, welcome to wavescript.info and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to continue our Laravel series and it's a mini project. And while doing our project we will learn Laravel, how Laravel works. And in the last video we have seen how to create migration files, and just to let you know more about migrations, you can come in the Laravel website and just type here migration and hit enter. Database migrations, you can see the migrations. So in the last video I have shown you how to create migration and model together. If you want, you can create only migration file. Just to create a table you can use the command php artisan make. You can use the command php artisan make :migration instead of model, and a phrase like create users table. And there are some other commands like you can migration create users table. You can specify this is option, right? You can specify hyphen create and name of the table users. If you do like this, then this migration file will automatically create a table with the name users. And if you want some other name, then you can say hyphen create, and what will be the name of your table you can specify here. If you want to add extra columns after creating your table, you can do add. You can write the phrase just for your convenience. Whatever the phrase you want, you can write, and you will have to specify. This is compulsory if you are going to add a new column. So the table name, in what table you are going to add a column. So in users table, this person is going to add a words table, right? This is the phrase. He has to specify the words, the migration file, like I have shown you. Migration structure, you can see the migration structure up, down, right? So this is for public function up, this is for creating the table, and this is for dropping the table. This will run if you do fresh, reset, or anything. And this command is used to run the migration files, right? Let me show you. And just to know more about the columns, how many kinds of columns you can create, you can come here, and this is the command and this is the description. So you can say there are a lot of varieties available. So this is table, big increments, id, big integer, binary, and the description is also available here. You can read about it. So date, time, decimal, double, enumerator, float, integer. We have used integer, we have used increments, and we have used string. Okay, string. There are lots of varieties of columns you can specify. You can create column modifiers, right? Just come here and look over this here if you're interested. Otherwise we are going to do a lot of things in the project. Now what I'm trying to do, routes web. So here is our routes, right? And here is our app route, and this route is for the welcome page. And where is the welcome page? In the resource folder, views folder, and this you can see this is the welcome page, right? So let it be as it is. I'm going to create a new page for us inside the views folder. Just notice resource, views, and here I'm going to create a new file, and it will be like a show students, something like that. So the extension is also important in Laravel, because Laravel uses something for view. Laravel uses a blade engine, right? And you will come to know what is blade engine. Just for now, just save it as show students dot blade dot php. So this is .php extension, indicates like this is PHP script, and .blade, this is the blade engine. This is the Laravel blade engine. This is also called blade templating engine, and you will very soon come to know what is this blade. Save for now. So this is show student.blade.php. We have saved this file, and I'm gonna write a HTML structure. Here show student list, and Here I'm going to say h1 student list. I'm going to use bootstrap. Just for now, I'm going to show you inside route. So route web.php file, and instead of loading welcome page, I'm going to load this show student file. So show underscore student. This is the view file. We are going to load show student. Save it. Open the command prompt and run the PHP server. PHP artisan. So, and make sure your XAMPP is already running. So it's we just need MySQL from the XAMPP. So it's running on this 127.0.1 8000 port, that is localhost. You can say here 127 8000 port and hit enter. So you can see that we have created now a page student list, and we can see here the student list, right? And Laravel comes with bootstrap, so we are going to use bootstrap in this project. For that, just go inside bootstrap.com, and here you can see the get bootstrap, but I'm just going to take the examples theme, and you can choose your favorite one or whatever you like. That's fine. I think this is fine for us, and this is also fine for us. Which one is fine? This looks better, or this one is also good. Okay, this one is great. This is here, and okay, this one is fine. Right, so this is here, and you can see one there. You can do one thing. Press Ctrl U just to get the code. Ctrl U. Now you have all the source code. Ctrl A to save all. Ctrl A to select all. Ctrl C copy. And here is our student blade. Ctrl 2 here something. Now we have all the scripts related, all the HTML files, all the HTML, right? Now what I'm going to do here, let it be as it is. This is bootstrap main.css. First remove the scripts. We don't need any script. We just need a bootstrap. Save it. And we don't need this link also, bootstrap CSS, because Laravel comes with this bootstrap thing. And we don't need sticky footer navbar.css custom. Okay, this is a file we need, but somehow I'm trying to eliminate it. Now what we will add our link in the Laravel style. So why it is called blade agent, because we can inject something by using this double curly braces, and Laravel provides a method to add the style sheet or JavaScript file, right? So the method is simply function asset, and it takes a string parameter. And where is our bootstrap file inside this Laravel package? It is available inside, you can see the public folder. Inside public folder, see here CSS, and this is app.css, right? And this is app.css. Okay, let's close this and add this file. CSS / app.css. Save this file, save all, and reload this page once again. You can see we don't need to add any bootstrap thing, it's already loaded. Fixed navbar, home, link, just one link this one. And don't worry about this double curly braces. Now you are not understanding. You can understand very soon. It's like PHP. We say something like PHP and include use something like that, right? So now for now you understand like this, but this is more than that. By using just write better, right? using blade templating engine, we can inject a variable PHP variable functions and a lot more in HTML view. Fine, now you understand, right? Save it. By using blade templating engine, we can inject a PHP variable functions and a lot more thing. HTML view file. So this is what. So we have added this script, and because of that, we have all the bootstrap features. We loaded all the bootstrap class. We don't need this search and this thing, right? We don't need this link. ULLI home. Remove this spam, and we don't need this link that now. You can see here students, or we can say here courses. Move this visible class from here and here. Okay, we don't need this form. Refresh. So home, students and courses. We'll add link definitely, and we need footer. Footer is fine. Footer is, you can see that here. Footer. Where is footer? Should be at the bottom, right? But we don't need to worry about this because we are not learning design. We are learning Laravel. And here we can remove this one. That's great. Now this is perfect. Okay. And close the public file folder, and okay, that's not required here also. This author description is not required. Viewport is required, fine. Okay, and just come here inside your resource JS file, and you can see the app.js, right? Not resource, sorry, it's public JS and app.js. You can include this JS file also, or if you want, you can create a .js file and you can include that JS file or CSS file inside our script using the asset function, like I did here. Asset, save it. And what I need to know, yeah, layout, the most important thing, right? So we are not going to repeat this HTML doc type and everything in every page, whatever the page we will create. So just we will keep this in one place, and we will extend this entire HTML attributes wherever we want using the blade features. So I'm going to show you in this video that features. So here is our resource files, views, and here we have created show student.blade.php file, and I'm going to create a new folder, and here I will say student app, right? So this is our new folder, student app. Inside that, I'm going to create a base file or layout file in Laravel terminology. So just say here and save it as layout.blade.php. So this is our layout.blade.php, and get the entire code from here. Just Control A from show student, copy and paste inside layout.blade.php. Right? So we pasted everything here. Now change the title here. Student enrollment app. Save it, right? And delete everything from here. Save. Once again reload it, and you can see everything is gone. Now the way how I can extend this HTML inside our show student, right? The way is very simple. Use the @ symbol and a blade function. Extend. Now single quotes. Pass the folder name first. So folder name is a student app. Then dot. What are the files? The file name is layout. The file name is layout.blade.php. But here we don't need to specify the extension. Just layout. Fine. And save it. Refresh. And you can see we have the HTML the bootstrap, right? Here we have nothing. And what we can do here, header, after header I will say div or the main and we can extend this main. We can yield, right? If you want to place any code, if you want to place any information or student list or course list in this page, so we will have to yield that thing here. You can say @ first I write name and @ yield. By saying yield and give it a name, content, yield content, right? So what this yield do, this will inherit everything from this. First this extend will inherit this blade layout, and in return whatever the content is available here will be replaced by this yield content. Once again, so @ section and content, @ end section. Save it. So what it will do, first it will extend the layout from this layout file. Everything will be here, and whatever available here, whatever thing is available here, it will from here to layout, right? I mean to say that, right? So whatever we will write inside this content, that will be replaced by this yield function. Okay, now you will get my point what I'm trying to say here. If I say here h1 our content will be here. See, so we will see our content here. Please sticking nav content here. Something wrong? Yeah, we have our content here, but because of something, it is behind this nav bar. You can see. Okay, just to show you. Still not visible. Okay, I think if I will use the div dot container class and then h1 content, still not visible. I think there is something wrong with our script or content. It's the option I can see right now. Let's just use the break statement. Yeah, it is here. If you remove this, see, it's not visible, so it requires BR statement. Okay, for now we can work like this. So instead of writing this here, place here also. See, that is same, right? Great. Okay, just remove one of them. Okay, that's fine. Our content, and this is the footer. So yield will do his job perfectly nice, and we can place our table here. So this is all about view and blade engine, right? We can extend the layout from the other pages, and we can place our content inside this section attribute, and we can replace everything with the layout. So that's it. If you feel any problem and you are not understanding it right now, so just don't worry. By regular practice, you will aware of everything what's going on and what's not. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.